Hi guys, this is Best For You channels and you are watching my video. Today I will show you how we can make shortcut shutdown, sleep, log off icons on screen. First right click, new, shortcut, and tap which icon do you want. I want first shutdown, and then space minus T S space minus T space 0, and then next tap and for this shortcut. I want to make shutdown and then finish. Here is shortcut shutdown icon, and now change properties, change icon, choose an icon from the list of specify a different file. Okay, and which icon do you want? I want to this one, then okay, and then apply, and then okay. This is shortcut shutdown icon. If you want to make log off, sleep, restart, this is same way you can do. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and comments. Thanks for watching.